back immediately and pull again, and that's what Ian is elected to do here.
Because you upset Emma. I thought
He can do that?
Oh yeah.
How can he know he ain't going good?
Huh?
How does he know he ain't going good?
Truck ain't wide enough.
Nancy's got a real radical small block in that truck this year.